a cliff up here or what? Why is this on track? Yeah, we're getting cliffed out. Can you get out that way? I don't know. It looks sketchy. Yeah. Fuck. This is gonna take me all day. I'm fucked. Huh? It's just hard to get up out of here. It's steep. Fuck. Holy fuck. This sucks. He says you want to go up, I think. I think we gotta go up. Well, yeah. Yeah. You guys okay? Jerry, what's going on? Jerry, what's going on? Jerry! Dad! Jerry! Can you tell me if I can get down there? What do you see? Jay! Are you okay? I'm right here. Are you okay? Yeah. Are you okay? Is Paul okay? You're okay? We're okay! Is he hurt? Jerry, is he hurt? They're calling for help. I'm trying to find out. They're both conscious and moving. Do we need help? Is he okay? We need help. We're gonna need help. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me what to call for. Jerry, what do I need to call for? Hey, can you connect me to Jackson Hole Ski Patrol? I am out of bounds outside the Rendezvous Bowl. Yeah. Yes. From what I can tell, they're both conscious, no one's buried, one broken leg. Yeah. I'm calling for help! Hey Jake, my name's Cody. I'm standing on top of this cliff here where those two guys went down. Outside the Rendezvous Bowl. Have you heard about this yet? I don't know. I'm not a local. I don't know the area very well. We went out the Rendezvous gate. I'm standing on top of the cliffs. If you go outside the Rendezvous gate and then duck skiers left at the traverse, we got cliffed out. I'm on top of the cliffs. Two guys got caught in a slide and got ripped down the cliffs. I think one of them has a broken leg. Yes, no one's buried. I can see them. They look stable. And they told me one has a broken leg. Uh-huh. Currently cliffed out, but safe. Yes, I can. Yeah. Okay, so do not try to hike up. Okay. Cody. The injured skier is Paul. Yes, yeah. He's a 60-year-old man, good shape, no other health conditions, no allergies, no medications. Yep. He ate lunch today, drinking water. And actually we're all ski patrollers from Colorado, so there's one patroller on scene stabilizing his leg. There's 719-233-2480. Yep, there's about 5 people with us right now trying to help him. It looks like you could traverse to the bottom of the cliff from around, but I'll leave that to you guys. You know the area, so thank you. Skier's right of me sounds right from where I'm standing. Yeah, and go all the way around the cliff band. We're pretty much right in the center of the cliff band. Help is on the way! I haven't heard. He's standing from where I'm looking. Yeah. Jerry! Jerry! What's the report? I'm talking to ski patrol right now! What's the nature of injury? It just appears to be one. The other party is walking around. Okay, thank you. Alright, sorry about all this, but thank you for your help. Ski patrol is on the way! I'm staying! Fuck. Shit. Hello? What's going on? Okay. Yeah, I'm staying here. Should we have what? Yeah. My skis are strapped to me. Yeah, I've got my skis. Ski patrol is on the way. I just talked to him. Yeah, I'm gonna stay. No, I'm staying here. You guys stay there. They're gonna send a team with a rope. Can you? Yeah. Huh? Is he okay? Just broken ankle? Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna move until they get here. Alright. Fuck's sake. This is no good.
Today I watched my dad and a close friend get ripped over a 100-foot cliff by an avalanche. By all accounts, they should not have survived, nor should I have. Amazingly, Jerry walked away and my dad suffered only a broken leg. In that never-ending moment, that rupture, that chasm between reality and whatever world we entered, I believe they were both dead. It was not the shock or horror that one might expect. Rather, it was a cold truth in a moment when my own existence balanced precariously atop the same cliff. Somewhere between that moment and the hours of reeling thoughts, conversations, shaking of my head, and muttering, unbelievable, there is one crystallized certainty that has risen to the surface of my awareness. These situations often beg the question of miracles, a greater power than our own looking out for us. Indeed, in the short time since it happened, the most common refrain I have heard is that someone was looking out for you, or you had an angel looking over you, or simply, you were lucky to be alive. I do not pretend to know the truth of any such statements, but the one thing I do know with absolute clarity is this: we have each other. Beyond that knowledge, I am mostly guessing, but for me it is enough to know this one thing. Remove all of the layers and complexities of our lives, boil it down to a single moment, and the only thing that matters, indeed the only truth that remains, is the knowledge that we have each other. I am overwhelmed with gratitude that I still have my father, my friend, and my own life. More than that, I am overwhelmed by the relationships of those both near and far in our lives. From our friends who help us through these times, to my sisters and mother in different cities, who reach out with their hearts to acknowledge their own gratitude for our presence to one another. To the patrollers, helicopter pilot, paramedics, and doctors, who all show up to our aid. Because you know how it is, that's just what you do. In our own ways, that is what we all do, but it's more than that. It is not just what we do. It is the only thing that we can do. It is the one unshakable creed that we all live by. When all else fails, we have each other. I'm sure there are many, my own mother and self included, who are angry that we are there in the first place, taking such unnecessary risks. Yes, we were foolish and made some crucial mistakes. Yes, we do feel incredibly lucky simply to be alive. My hope, however, is that this does not read as a cautionary tale against taking risks and embracing life. In talking with my dad, he recounted his thoughts as follows: this is it. I died doing what I love. What a gift we have in our life and in one another. The most precious thing about this gift is that it is so fragile. In any given moment, it may be taken from us. While we suffered some hard, scary lessons on impermanence and humility today, it will not lessen or dull the enthusiasm with which I approach life. If anything, these times are a lucid reminder that our time is short and our actions are meaningful. So make it count. I love you, Dad.
Jake, my name's Cody. I was the reporting party on the hey, I hiked myself out. I just want to let you know. Yeah, so I'm on the traverse. I'm going to ski down to those guys around. I'm going to traverse towards Cody's Bowl and then down left. Yeah. Quite a ways. I'm clear. I'm on a bunch of tracks. I'm on the traverse right now. Yeah. Sure. Okay, will do.